In this video, we'll demonstrate the exciting new access control module created by ORBNET Systems Limited to bring the access control capabilities of the TDSI GARDiS platform into Milestone X Protect. The first step after downloading the software and following our detailed installation guide is to configure the access control module in the Milestone Management Client. Navigate to Access Control and right click to create a new access control system integration. Underneath the integration plugin drop down box you'll find the ORBNET TDSI GARDiS access control system. Selecting that and completing the details as described in the installation guide should result in a successful creation of the access control integration. If all is working correctly, then this will show as connected. Within the access control system, we can then add and associate milestone cameras to readers and doors, can review all of the access control events that are exposed through the access control module. These are events that are available within the GARDiS platform, and they can be allocated to one or more event categories. Access request notifications can be configured to show pop-ups within the Smart Client under certain conditions, and the cardholder database from the GARDiS system can be queried live, reviewing photos and additional attributes on all card holders. Another step, as detailed in the installation guide, is to add some milestone alarm definitions. In this example, we have added an alarm that gets raised whenever an access denied event occurs on any doors within the system, and we'll see this shortly within the Milestone Smart Client. Once all of the access control module is configured, we'll now see the power of the integration within the Milestone Smart Client. In this example, we have created a new map by going into setup mode and adding a floor plan layout. From the toolbar we can then pick access control elements and drop those onto the map. These can be readers, doors, the ACUs, or the access control server itself. Within Milestone we can also add cameras or any other elements available onto this map that would be useful for users. Once the map is set up, we can then hover over the associated cameras for live preview and see the different access control units and the icons that denote their current state. We can then use the Smart Client to interact with these elements. This allows us to send a number of available commands to the door. You can release the door, set it to barred, set it unlocked, or return it to controlled access. And we can also see the current status of the access control unit. We now act as a card holder on the GARDiS ACU and door reader. We can see the reader flashes green to indicate a successful card holder event. If we now simulate an access denied event, the reader flashes red, and due to the alarm that we configured, both the reader and its door are now showing as alarm, and we also have an alarm showing within the alarm manager. From here we can see the alarm details, or we can now acknowledge that alarm, which will also clear the alarm back in the GARDiS system. We can also alter the door icon states. For example, when a door force is detected, the icon will change color and status, and that is also raised as an event which could be configured via a new alarm definition to raise an alarm. Other capabilities within the Milestone access control system is the access monitor view. You can see a live view of a camera and access control events down the side, and they will update in real time to see different events relating to that camera that are happening. A user can then interact with those events and see the footage from that camera at the time of that access control event. Within the access control view, we can then filter access control events and review the details of those, and also see any associated card holder details very quickly going through those events. From within Milestone, we can create the access report based on our filters, and that will create a detailed document of all access control events and snapshots from relevant cameras. We can explore the different access control units, see their related cameras, quick access buttons to send commands to those access control units, and also search and browse the entire cardholder database and view cardholder events. All of this is made possible by the access control integration. If you would like more details, you can visit the ORBNET website or search TDSI GARDiS on the Milestone marketplace.